Guy Fieri, the renowned host of popular cooking shows such as Diners, Drive-Ins and Dives, Guy's Grocery Games, and Tournament of Champions, boasts an impressive net worth that he has no plans of simply handing over to his sons. In an interview with Sfgate, Fieri expressed his belief in the importance of hard work and the need for his sons to earn their inheritance. The charismatic television personality, known for his signature bleached blonde hair and vibrant personality, has achieved remarkable success throughout his career, both on and off the screen. Fieri's net worth, estimated to be in the millions, reflects his overwhelming popularity and numerous business ventures. However, despite his wealth and success, Fieri holds firm to the belief that his sons should not rely solely on their father's net worth for financial security. Instead, he encourages them to pursue their own passions and work hard to build their own wealth. Fieri believes that a strong work ethic and the experience of earning money are crucial life lessons that will benefit his children in the long run. This mindset reflects Fieri's values and the principles that have guided his own career. Known for his dedication and tireless work ethic, Fieri has risen to prominence through his passion for food and his unwavering commitment to the culinary arts. His love for cooking shines through in his television shows, where he explores various food establishments and showcases the creativity and talent of chefs from all walks of life. Furthermore, Fieri's determination and entrepreneurial spirit have led him to expand his brand beyond the realm of television. His successful restaurant chains, including Guy's American Kitchen and Bar, have further contributed to his net worth and solidified his status as a prominent figure in the culinary world. While it may be tempting for Fieri's sons to rely on their father's financial success, the television personality believes in the importance of instilling a strong work ethic in them. By encouraging his children to build their own wealth, Fieri aims to teach them valuable life lessons and ensure their long-term success. In conclusion, Guy Fieri's staggering net worth reflects his tremendous success as a television personality and entrepreneur. Despite his own financial achievements, Fieri remains steadfast in his belief that his sons should work hard to earn their inheritance. By instilling a strong work ethic in his children, Fieri hopes to pave the way for their own success in the future.